Hey there, health explorers. Today, I am about to share a golden combo you probably never thought about: carrots and olive oil. Two humble ingredients, but together, magic. Carrots, crunchy, sweet, and bursting with beta-carotene, that super antioxidant your body converts into vitamin A. Great for your eyes, skin, and immune system. And then we have olive oil, rich in healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is heart-friendly, brain-boosting, and has been a Mediterranean secret for centuries. Here is the catch: beta-carotene is fat-soluble. That means your body absorbs it way better when carrots are eaten with a healthy fat like olive oil. So how do you combine them? Easy. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over your carrots before roasting. Or blend them into a vibrant carrot olive oil soup. Even a raw carrot salad dressed in olive oil works wonders. With this duo, you are not just eating, you are fueling your body with natural goodness, one bite at a time. Try it out and let your health glow from within. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty health tips, only on Eat and Health.